Well, here we are in the actual Cromford here. We're between Bath and Cromford on the A6. The river here, and behind me we have a good view of Masson Mills here. One of the major factories of the industrialist Richard Arkwright there, who invented the spinning jenny. There we are. Well, this end hasn't been restored, it's a car park. Had a roof on it, but the main part of the building there, which is now a shop, cafeteria and museum, is just to the back there. Masson Mills. Famous Richard Arkwright, and it's a World Heritage Site here in Derbyshire. As noted here, there we are, Derwent Valley Mills, World Heritage Site. There we are. The Cromford town being just down the road here.